This is the last hit of UST, ano?
Mataas nga eh.
Mataas na, mabagal pa, high arcing pa, but still,
Yeah.
UP unable to adjust sa ganong klaseng bola, no?
That's right. Cuevas, the libero, not able to get to the ball on time.
And this is what separates the tall girls of other teams against the tall girls of UP.
Yeah.
Less athletic lumalabas, ano? Mabagal silang humabol sa mga open areas of the defensive end of the court, while yung USTs mo and yung Lasals mo, mabibilis, no?
Bilis. Nice. Finally, Southland gets a point.
That's the monkey off her back after 2 errors on the
Serving 16.
offensive end. Nakabawi.
Number 16 for UP.
Princess May Se serving. Ooh. That wasn't even close.
Straight into the net. Morse giving USC another 3 points that they don't need. If you look at the score.
7-point advantage na para sa UP right now. Oh, but a beautiful, powerful attack by Jeza Las Marias.
Wow, where did that come from? Nice setup job to begin with. Look at that hit going through the arms of Caballero.
Nice serve from Ramos. Underhand set. Running underhand set para kay Di Makulangan. Oh, tough back set. Oh, what a beautiful defensive stance by UP.
That's right, Las Marias again scoring this time, not from a spike, but from an offensive block. Look at that. And Micah Ortiz, well, she's read most likely already by the defense of USC, by the blockers specifically. Alam na dun siya tatakbo. Medyo mataas kasi yung running spike. So I guess Rhea, she has to change it up. Bigyan naman niya sa harap na quick si Ortiz para hindi lagi nakabang yung block ng UP.
Back-to-back errors naman para sa UST ngayon with the Caballero hitting that one straight into the net.
Into the net. That was a back set from Rhea. And Southern has been doing a good job on the serve. Kita mo, the reception of UST hasn't been perfect since Southern has been serving.
3-0 run dito by UP. Reyes. There's Las Marias again. Ooh,
again.
Marias finding the lucky stroke para sa UP.
This is a rally here for UP. Look at this. Again, this time she avoids the block of Caballero. Caballero having a difficult time judging her spot on the block, no? Kasi siya talaga yung mag-guide dyan eh. Siya yung tatapat kay Las Marias.
Oh, very beautiful serve from Southland. Ramos.
Wow, serve is ace for Southland.
That's exactly what the doctor ordered.
I know. Look at this 50 na pa, 2 points na lang yan, ha?
Wow, 5-0 run by UP. Let's listen to Uste.
Judy, inasign kita leader dyan. Step up naman. Walang volleyball na nagaganap, service lang. Wala tayong receive. Hindi volleyball yun. Let's go, let's go. One good receive, side out no, isang atake. Let's go, Tigers. Go!
Arthur Oji Mamon questioning the hearts and commitment nitong Tigresses, ano? Walang volleyball na nagaganap.
One of those quotable quotes again. Walang volleyball na nagaganap.
Service lang. Para warm up.
Nagsiserve pero hindi kayo makareceive. Ano nga ba ang volleyball doon?
Dapat may sagot eh, no?
Wala nang kasunod yun. And sabi nga ni Coach Oji, I'm sure he didn't expect that he would be calling a timeout probably 2 or 3 minutes earlier. Now he calls his first timeout. Why? Because UP has made a 5-point run here in the first set. Ooh, nice.
Beautiful one-handed setup job by Di Makulangan. You've got to credit at least one half of that point kay Rhea.
That's right. That ball was supposed to be going over the net. Look at Rhea and look at Ortiz still approaching. Alam niya, mahihirapan si Rhea to set it up but she trusts her setter. Pasok pa rin siya And look at what happened in that play.
Oh, somebody's got to check Las Marias
Oh.
because she is doing plenty of damage to UST's defense.
Look at this. Las Marias again. No one went up for the block. Even Rhea,
For the lady.
that was her spot. That was her block.
Where did Las Marias come from? Jeza Las Marias. And another poor reception para sa UST. And we've got a set here, ladies and gentlemen. What seemed like a walk in the park para sa Tigresses has
That's
been
true.
turned around by UP.
The reception is the main reason why UST has been pegged at 18 points right now.
Reyes blocked. Point UP. We're tied at 18 all.
Wow!
Those are the only words that come to mind. Wow. Wow talaga. Because who would have expected after
It
the
was-
kind of play ng
Yeah.
UP to start the set, ano, parang simpleng-simple lang to para sa UST. Pero tulad ngayon, bumaliktad na po ang tide as UP takes the lead with a service ace there.
And it all started with that good service run of Southland Ramos, giving UST a tough time on the receiving end. And up to now, Las Marias.
Wow. I mean, like what I said, I have no words to explain what's going on. Just wow. I mean, Las Marias with another service ace back-to-back to give UP a 2-point lead.
I'm sure Coach Oji has a mouthful to say. Let's listen to it.
Sinabi sa inyo mag-relax, relax naman kayo, tulog na kayo. Gising na. O, lamang na sila. Dalawa. Yung ano na yan, pinuntos nila sa inyo yan. Tinalo nila, service nilang malakas. Okay? Hindi na basta-basta error yan. Ginawa na nila yan. Ngayon, one good receive, atake, kaya naman natin, di ba? Yeah.
In my unofficial tally, it's a 10-1 run
Wow.
by UP because it was 17-10 at one point, yung 7-point lead ng UP, and then 20-18, isa lang ang pinuntos ng
Wow.
UST in that whole run by the Lady Maroons.
Another good serve. This time a better reception. Ortiz with a running spike.
Another halt or stop by UST, pero paisa-isa lang ang puntos ng UST, no?
And it was again Mike Ortiz taking charge over at the net. And now it's a two-man substitution for Coach Mamon.
Service specialist.
Ngayon sila naghahabol.
Oo, naghahabol ang UST. 19 serving 20. Anido. Wide.
That's too wide. That's too wide. Well, probably had the right thing in mind with that down the line hit to avoid the block. But it was too wide.
You're tied at 20. Service.
20 all. Pagtalas. Araneta. Oh, beautiful cross-court hit, finding that opening.
Oh, look at UP. They're just having fun. You can see it.
Lady Maroons.
And kitang-kita mo yung confidence sila, no? Ang
Yeah.
laki ng pinagbago mula nung 10 points sila dito
That's
sa set
true.
number 1.
That's true. It's like they performed the magic trick. All of a sudden, when you look at the scoreboard, parang biglang dikit na agad sila. Pero kita mo, they did it so quiet.
That's true. No flamboyance
Oh.
whatsoever dun sa run ng UP. And hirap pa rin talaga sa reception ng service itong UST. Pagtalas to set. Oh, beautiful swiping tip.
It's it over.
22 to 20. Back
Both
to a
look
2-point
now.
lead. Yeah.
To 20.
And UST seems to be they're not anticipating properly, or the reaction time is so slow.
Ooh! What went on there? Even on not so loaded the mga serves, UST is caught flat-footed.
Lady Maroons
Wow.
now up by 3.
Wow, it
Yana
seems
Abad.
like
Still
you know
serving.
UST has been put
Under a spell.
under spell. Oh my goodness!
This is unbelievable. That's what it is. It was 17-10 at one point, and all of a sudden, in favor of UST, and all of a sudden, set
Lady
point
Maroons
for UP.
UP.
And lamang pa sila ng apat.
Apat.
Advantage.
Wow.
Service. Yana Abad.
UP looking to close it out. Di Makulangan under duress.
UP really moving pretty well.
USD needs to play perfect here. They have to save 4 set points. Good rally. First long one so far in this set. Oh, overset by Magpalas, and USD saving 1 set point.
And it was Rhea Di Maculangan on the receiving end of that free ball.
Oh, I know.
And remember, I mentioned it while we were talking the pregame, Eric, merong team na kontrapelo talaga ng isang team eh. You know, you can forget about the rankings, the standings, the stats, pero pag yung dalawang team na yung nataba, it is so unpredictable.
And that's what's happening now. 2 straight points naman para sa USD. They're on a mini run. Tumawag na timeout si Coach Ubalde ng UP. Let's listen in.
Kasi pag sigurado lahat, okay, sigurado yung mangyayari. Ang mangyayaring play dyan, aabangan yung gitna. Okay, pag sigurado yung receive, aabangan nila yan. So kailangan ngayon, high percentage tayo. Open muna tayo. Pasok lang, tuloy ka para sumabay sa'yo yung middle. Timing lang ng eksakto, tapos tulak mo sa open. Ha? One stop lang tayo, 1 point na lang yan. Ha? One good receive.
Well, Coach Jarrod setting up the play that he wants to see to end this first set for them to get that final point. Sabi nga na, USC will be expecting a middle attack if our reception is good, so make sure that the attacker still goes in to be able to fish out a blocker and go for the percentage play, that outside set, probably to Araneta. Let's see.
USD has saved 2 set points, but they need to save a couple more. Araneta.
There you go.
And there it is.
There you go. Exactly how Coach Ubalde drew that play off.
What a comeback. It is the mother of all comebacks, at least in season 74.
That's true,
no?
that's true. So far, if there's a team that really, if you're watching it and then, you know, you leave it, you wouldn't believe when you see the score in the first set. How good,
After trailing by 7, UP comes back to win it 25-22 in set number 1.